How to submit a question using Budget's online feedback form. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome and search budget.com/customer care. Here, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. You'll find Change Topic at the top. Select the topic you want and then scroll down. Make sure you choose the topic that's related to your question. Then add your first name, last name, email. Re-enter your email. After you've re-entered your email, add your phone number, fax, and customer ID. Then add your pickup location, date of rental, drop-off location, return date, budget prepaid confirmation number, rental agreement number, amount billed to you, your currency, and add the last question that you want to ask. After you've added your question, you can click on Submit at the bottom and submit. This is how to submit a question using Budget's online feedback form. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.